Well, 21st of June is now Yoga Day, International Yoga Day. So quite excited about that. मैं खुद योगा प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ पिछले 2.5 months से रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ एंड मैं पायल से मिली एंड पायल मुझे ट्रेन कर रही थी एंड एज शी स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग मी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस in my general well-being apart from it complementing fitness क्योंकि of course it helps you know stay fit and slim and trim but more than that I think the way it emotionally made me feel mentally made me feel it yoga is the only one physical activity I think जो आपको सिर्फ physically नहीं but mentally भी affect करता है so I am totally for doing yoga as a daily thing like how हम कैसे ब्रश करते हैं या खाना खाते हैं it's as normal as doing your daily routine so I think this should be a part of ये सिर्फ 21st June मना के भूल जाने की बात नहीं है actually something you incorporate in your day to day life and coming to Body Goddess which is Payal's book it's very much written for women and एक औरत हर 10 साल goes through a lot of changes physically, a lot of hormonal changes. So, like bachpan mein is the puberty that you're going through. Then, as you grow older, you're getting married, you're childbearing. It kind of it answers a lot of questions on that, and it deals with a lot of problems that we face. Like, आजकल thyroid and PCOD is like the most common thing I have been hearing amongst people I know. So I think there's nothing better than yoga helping you deal with those things. So, so I think a lot of information for women and for the benefit of what yoga can do for you is in this book. So,
So, like, what are the things like आप अपने आप को better के लिए और क्या-क्या चीज़ करते हैं?
well, फिलहाल तो past it's for a few months it's been a lot of yoga, but I also do CrossFit. So I mix workouts, and I think our body is meant to be shocked and meant to you sort of keep changing what you do as a workout. So I keep changing my workouts, but yoga is one thing which is a constant, which should stay a constant.
पायल ने भी बुक निकाली है
जी.
Body Goddess, like वो कितनी हेल्पफुल है आपके लिए and like कितना you know कितना आप
Yeah.
कितना फॉलो करते हैं?
I've got my copy already. I'm just holding one of them with me right now. I'm really going to go through it, and I'm lucky enough I train under Payal, so मुझे तो खैर direct information मिलता है. But yes, I'm going to definitely read this book to know more about how to deal with it through yoga.
Okay, जैसे हम जानते हैं कि आपने टॉलीवुड से बॉलीवुड एंड नाउ बॉलीवुड से नेक्स्ट क्या प्लान्स हैं आपके?
Well, my film is coming out. It's called Bahubali, and I've been promoting it in Mumbai also because Dharma is presenting the film in Hindi movies and pan India. So very excited about that. 10 July वो film आ रही है, so I'm looking forward to that. Well, I just like to say, grab a copy of Body Goddess. I think it's going to be a fab book. I'm going to have a look of my own. Thank you.
Well, I think it's great that I mean they've created a yoga day, but frankly, yoga is a life force that needs to be practiced every day, and I can say that now because I've gotten back into it really seriously. I do it 3 times a week now. I have a trainer. Me and my husband do it together, and after getting back into it seriously, I've realized what I was missing for the periods of time that I didn't do it. 8 saal se I've been doing yoga for over 8 years now. In between, of course, when I had my baby, etc., in between I stopped. But the fact that people say, how come you look the same, I do have to attribute it that because my gym nahi jati hu, whatever muscles, etc., you see is all from yoga, not from anything else. And for me, yoga is just, it's a way of starting your day and then starting your day in a really calm, nice way. The adrenaline rush, the energy that you get from it is brilliant. And there are so many different things that you can do. If you're not in a state where you want to do your full 1 hour, there are 20-minute things that you can do. There are just breathing exercises that you can do. Everything in yoga makes a difference. And that's what counts. I don't think, frankly, I know what you're saying, as in it has to be one day where you celebrate it. No, I think if people, talk about things like this enough, You don't need one specific day. If people know the benefits of something like yoga, you don't need one specific day. They themselves, every single day will be a yoga day for them. Once you get into yoga, definitely that's what people will think.
जैसे हम like हर किसी के मन में रहता है कि how beat down people are perfect and so perfect. So like उनके लिए आप क्या
जैसे कि मैंने कहा, see, people in Bollywood have the luxury of having personal trainers. जहाँ पे भी, whether you're on a set or whether you're at home or whatever, you don't have to go away from where you are. People can come and train you. So it is something that, it becomes, if it's part of your lifestyle, you just make that time. And I know so many people who make sure that their trainer goes to their set. Because in between there is so much time, especially in films and stuff, there's so much time where you're sitting around doing that. Why not make good use of it? For other people as well, for normal people as well, it's a discipline. यही अच्छी बात है योगा के बारे में कि अगर आप when you get into it, एकदम discipline बन जाता है, and that's a great thing to know that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I will wake up at this time and I will do it no matter what. Sunday को कितनी देर, you were up or when did you sleep or whatever, but that first 20 minutes, yes, if you slept late and stuff, that first 20 minutes, like, cancel karu kya class, But then, as soon as it starts, I swear, I mean, I have experienced it in the first 10 minutes after that. I'm like, thank God, I did the class today.
किस तरह से changes आए योगा करने के बाद आपके life में?
I think calmness बहुत बढ़ जाती है. The way you react to situations बहुत change होता है वहाँ पे. जो anxiety attacks people को होते हैं, panic attacks people को होते हैं, all of that can be, you can calm down hell of a lot by using a few yoga techniques, simple breathing techniques, which will bring you all the way calm down. You can deal with a lot of things. I have to say, जब मैं 6:30 बजे जाती थी for yoga, when I used to go to another teacher, the entire day बहुत ही अच्छा जाता था. I have to admit, it was something about just doing that 1 hour in the morning, of training. It just used to be, the whole day used to go well. So that's what people should incorporate in their life. Then there's, of course, from the Bihar School of Yoga, my friend Nes Wadia has actually introduced me to that school of yoga, and he has given me books, etc. and meditation techniques. जो सिर्फ 20 मिनट का है, you have to just listen to it, morning or night, you just listen to it. It changes your life. It really does. Yoga Nidra.
बॉडी फिटनेस के ऊपर निकालते हैं, लाइक आप भी ये
मैंने थैंक यू अब भी बोला पायल को, क्योंकि इसमें एक चैप्टर है जो मेरी ज़िंदगी में जल्दी आने वाला है. From 35 to 45, yes, that chapter. Yes, so I want to know, everything, because you have so many questions when our hormones are changing, ye age pe, I mean, that's my daughter, she's 7.5, but there are so many questions, and yoga has an answer for everything. So that's what makes it really good, and a practical answer. ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to pop pills or anything. It's a practical answer. If you have your discipline, you have a solution. I've done a bit in Madhur's Calendar Girls, so you'll see me in that. I've done a bit in Fitur, Abhishek Kapoor's Fitur. I've done a Hollywood film. That's quite a big role in that. It's called The Other Side of the Door for 20th Century Fox, and that will be released either end of this year or beginning of next year. I had very good co-stars in it from TV serials like Law and Order, Jeremy Sisto, Sarah Callies, the one from Prison Break and Walking Dead. Brilliant experience, even more brilliant because I played 70 years old. So they aged me, and they made me more challenging. TV-wise, of course, Be-Intihang was over last year, and I won Best Actress negative role for that one. And I'm starting a new series soon. They say good role, they say good, not evil, not an evil sass anymore. So it might be a nice change to take that on. I'll be shooting a pilot in July for that. Theatre I'm still doing with Lilette Dubey and Ashwin Gidwani, Scent of a Man, and Dance Like a Man with Lilette. And my music album, my second music album is an English rock album, which is being mixed and mastered right now in London. And I want to release that. I mean, I don't know about commercial success, I'm not looking at that, but it's so that I can do live shows with my band. That's my passion, and that's my release.
Thank you.
Yeah.
21st June Yoga Day. I think it is a fab thing what Mr. Modi has actually come up with. अगर जिसने भी योग नहीं किया हो लाइफ में, उनके लिए ये दिन बहुत ही शुभ कारक होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप कोई भी एज में शुरू करते हैं. जैसे लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, कैसे पायल हम बुढ़े हो चुके हैं, हम नहीं कर सकते. मैं उनसे कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप कभी भी योग शुरू कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि योग खाली जवानी में होता है या बुढ़ापे में होता है, या देयर इज ऑल मिथ्स. So they can start yoga anytime. So this is the best day that they can actually bring yoga into their life, and they'll see the change in their life.
I really believe किसी डे को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए डे चाहिए.
Not really. I don't think to celebrate anything in your life you need a particular day, because for us as Yoga Day, we are yogis, and for us every day is a yoga day. But for people who it's not there, it's a great awareness. So I think it's a great thing that's happening right now.
Yoga to like what was most challenging and most difficult for you?
Oh, see, I've taken all of them as students, okay? And being with them, the whole thing is that it gets challenging because they have certain norms that they have to follow and certain things that we have to just, we have to just be careful of. So with them, it gets a little challenging. But whereas for a layman, it doesn't get very challenging. They have certain disciplines they have to follow. But I feel it's fine. I have worked with so many stars by now that I think it's become a part of my lifestyle.
So how does yoga works on daily lives and like does it change life?
I think yoga changes your lifestyle completely. And not only lifestyle, it changes you by mind, soul, body, spirituality, emotional. I think every kind of change happens, so that is what.
As you are launching a book today, so what was the inspiration or just the banana?
नहीं, मेरी पहली बुक थी फ्रॉम एक्सेल टू एक्सेस, एंड उसके बाद देन इट वाज दिस बुक, बिकॉज द सेकंड बुक वाज वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट, because I had people asking me a lot of health issues the. So this book has a lot of health issues with it. So it's better that they follow it. Thank you.
Congratulations. I made me wait and then I'm late. So we don't come now. Sir, इधर देखिए ना. Ma'am here. Ma'am here. Sir, sir यहाँ पे. Ma'am. Sorry, sir. Sir, इधर. Sir, यहाँ पे सामने देखिए. मैम यहाँ पे. मैम यहाँ पे सब. I'm a yoga bhakt. I started yoga 5 years back with Payal, and I've been doing yoga ever since. And of course, it's changed my life, made me a calmer person. It's made me very flexible for my dancing and all also. And I think it's the best thing anybody can do in this stressful Mumbai life. It just keeps my mind off anything that's negative. It just makes me feel more peaceful, good about myself. It makes me take life as it comes. And of course, no pain, no gain.
As men, we usually prefer swimming and all this. Do you really believe gym is the only thing which keeps man fit and
No, I don't believe that only gymming keeps man fit. I think the kind of workout you do, what do you do in the gym is very important. Whatever suits your metabolism, whatever makes you feel. The gym should be a therapy. It should not be just about building muscle. It should be something that makes you feel good about yourself. Whether you do yoga in the gym, whether you do weightlifting in the gym, it has to suit you. It has to make you feel good about yourself, and that's what matters. My next movie will be Masti Dade, then Kya Cool Hai Hum 3. These are the two ones right now.
जी हाँ, 21 जून को योगा डे डिक्लेयर किया गया ना. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एफर्ट. सो अच्छा है हम सब के लिए. और योगा आई वुड से कि देखिए ऑब्वियसली हम सब जानते हैं जो रेगुलर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ योगा क्या है. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, वेट लॉस, वो सब तो है ही. बट जिस वजह से मैं योगा करती हूँ दैट इज़ टू हैव कंट्रोल ऑन माई माइंड. क्योंकि जिस तरीके का स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ हम लोग लीड करते हैं ना, सो एटलीस्ट विथ मी पर्सनली मेरा दिमाग बहुत दौड़ता है, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ. सो एक कामनेस अपने अंदर लाना, जो हम ब्रेथ प्रैक्टिसेस करते हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ब्रेथ टेकिंग मूव्स जो हम लोग जो भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, इनहेलेशन, एक्सहेलेशन, सो बहुत सारे नेगेटिव एनर्जी आप अपने आप से एक्सेल कर सकते हो. सो एक ओवरऑल टोटल वेलबींग, एक सेंस ऑफ वेलबींग, सेंस ऑफ कामनेस के लिए मैं योगा करती हूँ. एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई वुड एडवाइस एंड सजेस्ट एवरीबडी टू डू. जी नॉर्मल केस में तो आई डोंट बिलीव इन अ मदर्स डे और अ वैलेंटाइंस डे. बट ये आई वुड से ये एफर्ट बहुत अच्छा है बिकॉज एक अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करने की एक एफर्ट है. यू नो, एक बार ही वो अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं फिर आई एम श्योर कि वो एक दिन में सीमित नहीं रहेगा कि सिर्फ 21 जून को ही प्रैक्टिस करो, बाकी साल में नहीं करो. बट आई थिंक एक अवेयरनेस, बिकॉज नॉर्मल पब्लिक अभी भी सोचती होगा मतलब वही फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी और वेट लॉस के साथ एसोसिएट करती है. ऑफकोर्स वो सारे बेनिफिट्स तो है बट उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. जैसे कि मैंने कहा एक माइंड पर कंट्रोल. यू नो, अगर आप ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक सीख सकते हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को बैटल कर सकते हो. क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली बहुत बार क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी बहुत फिट है बट माइंड इज़ नॉट इन द राइट स्पेस. सो वो अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करने के लिए आई थिंक ये एफर्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है. एक बार वो स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं देन आई थिंक हम लोग सारे पूरे साल ही हम लोग योगा प्रैक्टिस करते रहे.
जानते हैं कि 21 जून योगा डे भी है, उसी के साथ साथ फादर्स डे भी है. आप किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट करेंगे अपना फादर्स डे?
Oh, I am completely a daddy's girl, but unfortunately मेरे बाबा कैलकाटा में हैं. सो अलग से मतलब ऑब्वियसली आई स्पीक टू हिम एंड मैंने एक सरप्राइज प्लान किया है. एक बुके है, एक छोटा सा एक लाइक अ स्मॉल गिफ्ट फॉर हिम. तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा पर्सनली मैं किसी एक दिन में बिलीव नहीं करती. सो आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माई फैमिली. अपने मम्मी पापा भाई से मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. जब भी कोई मौका मिलता है टू मेक देम फील स्पेशल एंड टू एक्सप्रेस माई लव, आई नेवर वेस्ट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी.
काफ़ी टाइम से आपको स्क्रीन पे देखे हुए भी, लाइक व्हाट योर नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट?
नहीं, आई एम डूइंग शोज. मैं इतना कोरोना में थी. अभी आई एम डूइंग ससुराल सिमर का. सो करंटली ऑडियंस कैन सी मी इन ससुराल सिमर का में. एंड फ्यूचर लेट्स सी व्हाट थिंग्स हैव टू अनफोल्ड. थैंक यू.
everyone sitting here today who has been able to make it to this event, in spite of the rains happening outside. And I know each one sitting here today is a well-wisher of mine. That's why they've been able to make it here. Thank you very much. Thank you to all my celebrity friends who are sitting here, without whom this event, this book, would have never been possible. Thank you, Tamanna. Thank you, Tushar. You all have been a very, very important part of my life. And especially each one of you. Not because these are celebrity friends and they are important. Each one of you sitting here is an important part of my life. So thank you once again. And for the woman, sorry Tushar, it's a woman-centric book.
Let my turn come. Wait.
The first book was very yoga motivational book. So I was just happen at about 10 days of writing the book. And in that I spoke more about fitness, and I had all my clients there who could speak about yoga, fitness. So I had everybody in that book, and everybody got motivated towards doing yoga. My second book was inspirational of the first. Because once my book released, I had people telling me, Payal, we're really going through issues. We are having thyroid issues. We don't know how to deal with it. We are getting fatter with thyroid, and we just don't know how to control it. I had people going into their menopause at that time, and they were like, why haven't you written anything about the causes that a woman goes through? And I had my friends who were 30, 35, were unfortunately unable to conceive. So that was one of the things that really got me thinking as to why not. The second book would be absolutely essential to be, I wouldn't call all of these, they are diseases, but you can cure it through yoga. There is a way. So that's why the second book happened, and I have tried and addressed every age group in this book, right from the age of 15 to 65 plus. So every decade, a woman's body changes. Each woman sitting here will agree to this, because you say 15, 25, girls are going through puberty, they're having, girls are having gray hair at 20, which I am coming across, and which is really sad. Then from 25, 35 is relationships, marriage, childbearing. Because you're getting married after 30, 35, infertility walks in. Women are menopausing much earlier than they used to. Earlier, I hear my mom saying menopause at about 55. Today, girls are menopausing at 35. I have certain issues coming up to me. So these are things that are dealt in this book, and all we women going through menopause. I'm going to be 40 on 7th of July. And I know what I'm going through. I've worked out all my life, but trust me, I am going through the normal changes a woman's body goes through. So this is a book for all the women, dedicated to all the women, actually.
So I think, as you say, one of the things is that yoga can give benefits not only for actual health conditions, but then for stress, for all kinds of emotional sorts of things. Tamanna, I was just wondering, what sort of benefits do you think you get from doing yoga? What does it give you specifically?
Hello, everyone. There's so many minor problems that we've all gotten so used to living with, like a headache, a stomachache, stress, after effects of stress, not getting sleep. These things have become normal. We don't even look at it as a problem anymore because it's become so common. But I think what yoga actually does is it eradicates these things, and that's when you realize that actually life is supposed to be of a much better quality. So I think after doing about 3 months of yoga regularly, I've experienced that these problems that used to exist in a young girl like me, which ideally shouldn't be there, I don't experience them anymore. Also, when you're stressed out, you tend to eat all wrong, and you eat all because you want to just deal with all your stress. So a chocolate goes into your mouth because that's what makes you feel the best at that point of time. But I felt that once I started doing yoga, my cravings just kind of vanished. I don't feel those cravings anymore. So I think yoga actually deals with a lot of your basic issues, which are your day-to-day issues, and that's how it's helped me.
And Jashar, obviously, this is a book, Yoga for Women, but yoga has benefits which can be seen for you for men as well. How did you start with yoga? I mean, you were working out normally with weights and in the gym. How did you then come to yoga?
महिलाओं से महिलाओं के बारे में बहुत सुन लिया अभी बहुत हो गया Payal, you thanked everybody, but you didn't thank your husband. You should be thanking him. Because although this book is about yoga for women, he introduced me to yoga for men. So a huge round of applause for Manish. But I believe he has trained you also. He's trained you? Yeah. So now I'm looking forward to another book soon from him. Yoga for men. Though I feel the benefits are pretty much the same. We also have our problems. We also have stress. We also have unnecessary stress. And I started doing yoga in 2010. I was on an outdoor for Golmaal 3, and my co-star Karina, she introduced me to Payal, and she forced me to just try once. And I did, and it was hell. I couldn't do one Surya Namaskar, I remember, the real way. I mean, I used to do Surya Namaskar my way, the gym way, but I couldn't do it her way. And then I did it, and I said, oh my God, this is... And then it just got into my system slowly.
What made you go back for more after?
I think the peace of mind, just the feeling of, just being calmer, feeling more liberated, more confident. And I just got addicted to it. And it's also about flexibility. For us actors, we need to dance, so we need to be flexible at any given point of time. Considering I do a lot of weight training, so it makes me very stiff. So I think the yoga I did with Manish and Payal has made me more flexible than before. And I will never stop doing the yoga. The yoga for men shall rule.
Yoga for everybody, I think. And so thinking about yoga, Tamara, you obviously have an incredibly hectic schedule. You're either filming, you're promoting, you're acting. How do you fit it in, and how do you kind of find the peace of mind in there? And does Payal kind of, what kind of teacher is she? Does she force you to do sessions?
ये बहुत ही एक बात है कि हम सब बोलते हैं हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है सबके पास टाइम होता है वो टाइम बनाना पड़ता है बिकॉज आजकल आप एक्टर हो या आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो आवर लाइव्स आर हेक्टिक व्हाटएवर वी डू सो आई थिंक द होल आइडिया ऑफ सेइंग कि टाइम नहीं है इज लाइक द मोस्ट worst excuse that you don't have time. Payal is a very strict teacher, and that's precisely why I came to her. I wanted her to be strict with me. I wanted her to teach me yoga in a very holistic and in a very traditional way. So, Payal, I have one request. I want to be able to do yoga like those women, those beautiful, gorgeous women who just did it here right now. And that's my aim, my goal.
Yeah. Although I was going to say, Payal, actually, obviously, those women were absolutely incredible. But the book is more accessible than that. Just if somebody, say, in this room actually hasn't done yoga with you, although I assume everybody has, where should they start with yoga? How do they start bringing it into their lives?
See, the whole thing is that you just need to start. It's important that you start off with 3 times a week of yoga if you've never done yoga in your life. Apart from everything else that you do, I'm not against gymming or walking or any form of exercise, any form of sport.
Are you against alcohol?
No, I'm not. That also in moderation is all fine. So I'm not against anything. But I just wish that each one, like tomorrow is World International Yoga Day, which has been introduced by our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. And I think it's wonderful what is happening because at least one day, if people have not done yoga, would at least think about yoga and talk about yoga. And I feel even talking about yoga is going to make a difference. It is going to make a difference. So if they say yoga, so they will start saying, chalo, ek din to kare yoga. Agar puri saal bhi nahi kiya, ek din, that one day will change you. So you can imagine if you do it every day in your life, what is going to change? Everybody should do yoga.
Okay, I'm going to open it up to questions in a minute, so you will have a chance to ask our panel. But with one final question, what are you going to be doing to celebrate tomorrow? And also, what next? Is it going to be yoga for men, yoga for children? What's the next book on the plans?
Tomorrow I'm a little busy, apparently. I don't know why, but yeah, I have some shoots in the morning for World Yoga Day, and I'm at the Crosswords tomorrow releasing my book. I have some particular classes, and like Tushar said, Manish should write a book next on men. Because trust me, it's not only the women, the men also have certain issues. So where is Manish? He should be writing a book on yoga for men. So maybe that would be our next book together, as Tushar said. And the next would be a book on pregnancy. The next book is already out, going on talks, pregnancy. It's a book for children. So it's just the beginning. Thank you very much.
Okay, so does any of our audience
आप इस तरह से खुद को फिट रखना पसंद करते हैं, किस तरह से आप डाइट में रखते हैं, आप फिट रखते हैं?
वेल यहाँ तो हम योगा की बात करेंगे. योगा बुक लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं. तो मनीष इज माई योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर एंड ही मेक्स मी डू योगा थ्राइस और 4 times a week. एंड वही मेरे फिटनेस का जरिया. बिकॉज इफ यू मेंटली फिट, आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ यू स्टे फिट. एंड योगा इज द बेस्ट वे टू बी मेंटली फिट. I started 5 years back and Payal had come to one of my outdoors. Payal is Manish's wife and वहाँ पर मेरी मुलाकात हुई उनसे. तो मैंने एक ट्रायल सेशन किया उनके साथ. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मतलब कभी रोका ही नहीं. उसके बाद 5 years हो गए, अभी तक मैं योगा कर रहा हूँ. As I said 2010 and योग भक्त because it just जो भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स हो, आपके मतलब आप उनके साथ डील करना, आपके लिए उनके साथ डील करना आसान हो जाता है इफ यू आर इनटू योगा. बिकॉज इट मेक्स यू मोर calmer, makes you make better decisions and think clearly rather than being cluttered and being anxious all the time. I think yoga आपको सतर्क बनाता है.
बड़े हिंदी.
आज भी एकदम फिट लगते हैं, क्योंकि फिटनेस का राज योगा है.
Yeah, he also does yoga, but he does more breathing, kind of breathing exercises. He's not so much into the stretching and all the asanas that I do, but he's more into jogging and he's more into gymming and वो सब कुछ करते हैं.
आपकी फैमिली में और कोई है जो योगा करता है?
My sister does hot yoga, but it's different from the yoga I do. She also does yoga.
अच्छा, बचपन में कभी ऐसा हुआ कि आपके डैडी आपको योगा सिखाते हो? ऐसी कोई मेमोरी जो आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, उन्होंने कभी ऐसे सिखाया नहीं मुझे. हमेशा बोला कि करो, शुरू करो. Why don't you start? It'll help you. So I have started. मैंने कोई प्लान नहीं किया. कल संडे है, मैं छुट्टी लूंगा. Yeah. You will come? Okay, then I can do yoga.
शायद कल कुछ डिफरेंट आप
All over the world are doing different. We do the same thing every day.
मुझे
So we're
हमेशा
learning for
मतलब
different
नया
class.
ही सिखाते हैं. Every time there are new asanas, there are new stretches. So we have a new day every day.
बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो चुका है स्क्रीन पे दिखने आपके अपकमिंग 2 फिल्म्स हैं. शूटिंग कंप्लीट हो चुकी है?
Yeah, shooting is over, dubbing is over. One will come probably September, one will come November. मस्ती ज़्यादा क्या कूले हम